Hey Ned, what are you up to?
So we've got a little rudder issue, so a bit of DIY. Luckily it's really flat at the moment, so we actually, it happened yesterday, but we decided we'd wait until the wind dropped and we had some flat water. So I'm just drilling a hole in the top of our bronze alloy stock, so that we can put a grub screw in there effectively, because the side bolts here, which we've got the G-clamp on at the moment, are undoing themselves, so we need to get a grub screw in there so they don't do it. We've got sort of 25 to 30 knots downwind for the next 4 days, so we're going to be going pretty quickly, so we have to get it done before that breeze comes in.
Hi guys, so here we are in North Spain. We just had to drop out the Transat Jaques Vabre, which is hugely disappointing, but unfortunately not very surprising. We've been having problems with our rudders for a little while, and as you can see it should be like this, and on this side we have nothing. So this came off last night in a fairly spectacular manoeuvre while we were going over 20 knots, and the whole thing just popped up and almost broke off there and then. It actually hung around for a bit being useless and then broke off a bit later. So it was fairly exciting in the middle of the night at 30 knots with only one way to steer the boat, and the kite at the top, the spinnaker from the top of the rig holding us flat and flogging itself to death. So we had a quite an exciting night, so happy to be here safe and sound, to eat some paella or something, but unfortunately we're not in Italy, Brazil.
So it's happened again. Fortunately last night we had a bit of a disaster, and we now have half a working rudder system. We're actually pretty lucky to get back here last night. We had the only working rudder failed on us again, so we had quite a long time with no rudders, sort of 30-35 knots of wind, which was a bit fruity. So hugely disappointed. The boat's new, and we knew we hadn't tested her enough, but yeah, we're still gutted. So we're going to go clean ourselves up and get a bit of sleep and get some food, and come back and sort